Greg, I'm happy to say I can discharge you.
Is he fully recovered?
He can go home, but only if he takes these tablets, follow my instructions as to how to take care of himself.
What does he need to do?
These are ACT's drugs. ACT stands for Artemisinin Combined Therapy. These are new drugs for treating malaria in Kenya. The SP drugs are no longer effective. This is good treatment. Now, he needs to take 4 tablets twice a day. Got that, Speedy?
These are too many pills. Are you sure?
It's not bad. Just look at the times I've written down and make sure you're eating something while you're taking them. And avoid milk.
I'll help. But he's already feeling better, so can he stop taking the pills and save some for the next time?
No, he can't do that. He'll get better quickly. But he has to finish the full course. Sawa?
I'll try.
Good. Now all you have got to do to settle the bill.
How much?
2,500.
Should have just let me die. Where am I going to get that kind of money?
Don't worry, doctor. We'll pay. Thank you very much.
No problem.
If I pay, I'll even have less chance of getting the money to pay for the milk bar.
Don't worry about it. Tell me, do you still want to sell that kidney of yours?